We'll guide you through how to download and install Minecraft on a PC or laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I think Minecraft is one of the best games ever. It's got so many different aspects to it. Of course, you can just go and play it by yourself and build your own world and survive, but also you can get into creative and build some really cool things, but also you can go and start playing online with your friends and other players as well, playing mini games on different servers. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and get it. Of course, there are different versions of Minecraft out there. On a computer, you can go and get Minecraft Java, which is the traditional version of Minecraft, and you've also got Minecraft Bedrock. You can also get Minecraft Bedrock on other devices as well. So we're going to guide you through this. Primarily, we are focusing on Java, but we'll also guide you through getting Bedrock as well. So without any further ado, let's go and get started. Make sure it's full guide and don't skip anything, as there are different ways you can go about this. So you can go and decide on the way that's going to go and work best for you. Now, it is important to note that Minecraft is a paid game. It's going to go and cost money. So if you haven't already got it, you have to purchase it. Don't worry, we will guide you through this, but just to be clear. So to go and continue, go and open up a web browser for the first way. Now, what you can do here is you can go and type in Minecraft like so, and you can come to minecraft.net. Here we are. At the top, you can go and click on games, and then you can come over to the right and you can go and press buy Minecraft if you haven't already got it. So you can come down here and you can go and see there's the deluxe and the standard. So this is going to include Minecraft Bedrock, Java, and the launcher. So once you've got it selected, you can go and press checkout like so, and you can then go and start the process. So when you go and get Minecraft, you're going to go and connect it to a Microsoft account. So you then own it on that account. That's really important to note, as you then need to go and use that later on. So you can go and sign in or go and sign up and go and complete your purchase. I already have. So after you've gone and paid for it, then what you can do is you can scroll to the bottom of the site and you can come into support and you can go and find download. Now, as you can see, we now own it. So it doesn't matter about buying it. We already own it. And we can come to the right and press download for Windows like so. And now the launcher is downloading. So you can go and be patient and we can now go and find it. So what you can do is you can go and open up your file explorer. Then in here, you want to come into your downloads and you can go and find Minecraft installer.exe and you can go and double click on it like so. Now what's going to happen is we'll go and get this pop up here and it says, before installing this version of Minecraft Launcher, make sure you're logged into the Windows 11 store. So to do that, what you can do is go and press search at the bottom and you can go and type in Microsoft Store or just store. And you can then go to the top right and I am logged in. Now, I'm actually logged into a different account here. So what I'm going to do is I've gone and pressed it here. I'm going to go and press sign out like so. Then I'll go and press sign in because I need to go and use the account which my Minecraft's on, which is this one here. So if I needed to, I could press use a different one, but I've already got it here. So I can press continue and we can go and wait. I just need to go and enter in my PIN. And that's it. We've now successfully done this. I've now gone and read this. I've read this before. And we can then go and press install like so. Now it says Windows is updating. Just go be patient while this completes. Shouldn't go and take too long. And the next step will automatically load as well. As I said, this is the first way. So it's now downloading as you can see. So we can go and keep waiting. And there we go. So then it's now finished installing. You can press let's go. And the installer is now opening up and it's signing in. It's got another update to do, so just be patient while this completes. The launcher has now opened up. So over to the left, you can go and choose between Minecraft Java Edition and Bedrock Edition. To the left of play, you'll probably go and have the latest release. I've had some other versions installed already. And then what you can do is it's selected is go and press play. It will then go and download what it needs to and it will go and launch. As you can see here, it's now opened up and now we can go and start playing. Now I want to go and show you the other way it can be done. So let's go and close out of here. The other way is actually using the Microsoft Store. So this is the store built into your computer. We can actually go and get it through the store. So if you press search at the bottom, you can go and type it in and click on it to go and open it up. And here we are. Then at the top, you can go and type in Minecraft. Now go and wait. So what you can do is if you don't already own it, you can also go and purchase it in here as well. So you can go and see Minecraft is here. We could go and click on it. Mine goes and says players have already got it, but otherwise there'll be a buy button and you can buy it in here. Also, you can just go and download the Minecraft launcher directly. So you can click on it. Mine says open as I already have it, but otherwise you could go and download it from here as well. And you can then go and log into the Microsoft account your Minecraft's on.